yat now brah du ngai. Ut kit mot now brah du ut work my head. Mot now tain my head. Time my head take dopa, tonger now pangla. Pore an head kut yat nane dol rak now brah du ngai. Emra rak trong Johan Dura Cô Pram Trong Chit Tham Chit Chit Sit Johan Dura Cô Pram Trong Chit Tham Chit Chit Sit Dan Tuan rak nào nấy
rak nào nấy hay kít vu nam thêm rồi bước răng du một bước tì ốp nhẹ lạc vu nam thêm kít bước răng du giác quy bằng ngâm thì răng thích một băng thì bằng ốp hay kít hay lưu tạo bước răng du chín lại năng tu cũng tâm thương nào ra thích
anh hệ quên lord trong chuyện sự trong anh hệ kit get now tầm lượng.
Let's start with verse 19. This verse tells us that there is a war going on.
Get bar đã tầm lượng này.
In this war, there are two sides that are fighting.
Tầm thứ đã cái phùng lũ bờ ra lũ trên phùng chó.
On one side are those who have come from God, that is, the believers. We can call them the children of God. And on the other side, those in the world who are under the control of the evil one. So, the children of God and people under the control of the devil. Those are the two sides of the war. Some of you can remember when North Vietnam was fighting South Vietnam. There were two sides. If you're older, you may remember when Japan was fighting against the United States and its allies in World War II. There were two sides there too. Verse 19 tells us that there are two sides right now. There is a war between the children of God and people in the world that are under the control of the evil one. Either you are a child of God or you are a part of the world controlled by the evil one. There is no other side. You are on one of those two sides. Before I talk about this war, let's look at verse 18. That verse tells us who is going to win the war. Anyone who is a child of God can know that the evil one cannot touch him. We can know that for sure. is a great comfort.
Pori an he kafkit now nai dol he wain trau kafkit now sin.
So let's keep that in mind as we look at some more verses at verse 19.
He get now tam la